What's happening out there, Donnie?
I don't know. It doesn't look good.
Gear up, guys.
Whoa!
This speech is my recital.
Bogey's on the bus.
I think it's very vital.
Hit the button.
What button? There are a million buttons.
On top. Here we go.
Here we go.
What are you, superheroes?
Just four brothers who hate bullies and love this city.
Whoa, whoa. This never works out well for you. What's your name?
Casey Jones.
Hey.
One question. Are you two guys like a thing?
I'm looking for errand boys. But we could work with that.
Me too.
This is gonna be good.
Dude, bringing back the mohawk. Good for you.
Oh, y'all got jokes, huh?